Hey guys, it's Kelly. So today I am going to be potting up some of my water propagations. Hopefully you can see all the roots. I'll show you as I pull them out. And I also have these little starters which need water, but we'll do that after. But look how cool this is. This is like a neon pothos with white variegation. I think that just looks really cool. So I have two of those. And I'm going to put, also with that, a Pearls and Jade, I believe. Or the Enjoy. I don't know which is which. They look the same to me. It's fine. Alright, so first, let us pull out all of this. Yeah. Look at all that. Alright, and what do we have in here? We have some more Pearls and Jade. More Pearls and Jade. I'm just going to separate it real quick into what they are. Yeah, you don't want to wait too long because they get tangled into each other. And it's kind of a pain to pull apart, but that's okay. This is Cebu Blue. Okay, you can go right there because I don't know what I'm doing with you yet. Skindapsis Pictus. You can go over here. This guy's really growing. It's growing in the water. And he doesn't have a whole bunch of roots, but whatever roots he has is giving him enough to push out some growth. So it's cool. Some more sea blue. Cebu. I see you, boo. We have a Monstera Adansonii. I think I'm going to put the Adansonii cuttings in this pot. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think it. Alright, what else do we have in here? We have another Skindapsis Pictus. This guy is a Cebu Blue cutting who is he's in the in-between. He's still here, so, and the roots feel good, so all right, you can stay. Got one dead leaf. More Skindapsis. Okay, I think I have all of the Adansonii cuttings now. I think this is Adansonii. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, it looks like it. We'll find out, I guess, if it's not. So I'm going to... these might be Cebu Blue. Yeah, these are Cebu Blue. Alright, so... if you could see the difference, these are definitely more of a blue color. This is not. So this is the Adansonii. This I know is the Adansonii, and this. All right, so we have 4 cuttings. I'm just wondering if I put it in this pot. If this pot's too big for these cuttings. I don't want to rot these newly grown roots. Oh, what is that? Oh, look at this. So this is Cebu Blue cutting, and this is the Adansonii. And the root from the Adansonii has attached to the Cebu Blue. And we pull it off. That is crazy. It started to root itself into like the opening sheath from the Cebu Blue pothos. That was very interesting. I hadn't seen that before. Okay. One, definitely one. This one. This one. And this one. Okay. I think we're just gonna go for it. I think that is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna try it. And if it doesn't work out, we will cut it all up again, throw it back in water, and start all over. But I think we'll be okay. So first you want to kind of just throw them in to the pot to figure out how it is you want them to lay. And you want to cover any of the roots. Sometimes the roots will grow up on a taller node. It kind of happened on this guy, where the node that is also pushing out new growth also pushed out a root. So you want to try to get that under the dirt as well. Okay. Alright, so we got this going on. I have a cup of dirt, a pot of dirt, and we're just gonna fill it in. And yes, we're gonna make a mess. It's okay. I don't want to fill it up too much because I don't want the water to overflow, but I need to make sure all of the roots are covered in dirt. I might actually need to get more dirt. Some people pre-moisten their soil, and I don't. Maybe I should, but I haven't yet, so. Okay, I'm back. I have some more dirt, and we're just gonna back it into there. Going to put the pot in water or in a tray with water so that it can soak up water as it wants, because I don't want to overwater it and end up rotting the plant I just rooted. So this is the Ansonii. Looking cute, looking cute. So we got one done. Woohoo! Okay, for the second one, I'm gonna be putting these guys, I think, in this pot. It might be too much for the pot, too much plant for the pot, but I want a full plant, so I'm gonna do it. And I want it to be like a little display. I want half pearl and jade and half neon. I think that would look cute. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to do anyway. Let's see if I can just see if it'll actually hold it. Oh, good. You guys are stuck in it good. Okay. I think we can squeeze it all in. So I'm just pushing this stuff in around the sides. The roots will find their way, or they won't, they'll die, but either way. Either way, we're gonna try to pot up these water propagations, and I think they'll be fine. They have plenty of roots. They haven't rotted in the water, so they shouldn't rot in the soil. I'm going to use the water that they were rooting in, just because it's here and I don't think it's bad water. I'm going to kind of pour it in to help see where I need to add some soil. It'll help like settle the soil, and because I'm sure there's going to be spots where it needs some more dirt. I'm probably going to overfill this pot. Yep. Hopefully we don't overfill this catch pot, because I don't have another one here, so I think we're okay. Maybe. There you go. I'm smarter than you, plant. Okay, so this is the mess we've made, and this is what the pot looks like for now. In there. I'm gonna leave it in this water to let it soak up. And yeah, that's what we did right there. Bam. Bam. We got a beautiful little display pot. Looking good. Looking good. So what I have left, what's left are skinned abscess cuttings. How many do I have? 2? 3? I have 2. I don't know. I feel like I could pot them up, right? That'd be a nice little spot. I feel like it would be sparse though. So I want to either get more cuttings of it or cut something else up to put this in with it. I could put the Cebu Blue with this, and I can take cuttings from my Philodendron Brazil and my regular neon pothos and my golden pothos, root those up, and then have a fuller pot like this one. So okay, so here are some up close shots, just so you can see. Very cute, very cute. And hopefully this guy doesn't run out. Hopefully this guy survives. I ended up just potting up the little Cebu Blue cuttings and making them loose into this little tiny plastic pot. I can always pull it out and add more and stuff, but yeah, that's cute. Alright, I did the same with the Skindaptus pictus. I just throw him here. He's very twisty and turny, but he's got a lot of leaves on him. So, yeah. Alright. And the main event is this guy. Look at that leaf. This is a neon pothos with black variegation. I've never seen it before. It looks really cool. Here's another one. Maybe it's just like a bleached out golden pothos, but I don't think so. And then we have the pearls and jade side. Looking real cute, looking real cute. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Alright, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.